Works Minister Ratan Kumar says NBCC should be held responsible for the damage at Laxmi Market and New Market in Monday's tremor. A team of Health Directorate and National Health Mission extend help to people hit by earthquake. BJP Manipur asks Chief Minister to resign on moral grounds and ban Kolkata-based Simplex company. And women vendors demand for CBI inquiry into Simplex company, oppose government's plan to make temporary market for Koyatong to Babutong. Hello and welcome. You're watching Impact Prime Time News. I'm Butchi Malambam with the top stories. Works and Transport Minister Dr. K. Ratan Kumar today said National Buildings Construction Corporation Limited should be held responsible for the damage caused to the Laxmi Market and New Market of Ima Market in yesterday's earthquake. Speaking to media at the Old Secretariat, Minister Ratan Kumar maintained that the two markets were constructed by National Buildings Construction Corporation Limited, an agency of public sector undertaking under Ministry of Urban Development, Government of India, and not by State PWD. He said the damage was caused due to lack of quality in construction. Minister Ratan Kumar also said the damages in the earthquake are being assessed and the final report is awaited. However, in response to query on the damage of newly inaugurated government building in the earthquake, Minister said that the matter is being looked into. Chief Secretary, Chief Engineer, PWD and Division Engineers were also present at the press meet.
Building singsi Ima Market, Hujiki Laxmi Market ne aduga lairiba akoigi New Market ani se akoi restoration toba yagadra yaroidra haibasi masigi damukta akoi experts sing tanadana akoi hujik moi nomanini sida makoi yaurani akoi ticket kakre aduga moina hairiba soba building singse masi moina yengjen birangani yengakanda mogi oiba expert madugi moigi findings moina pibirangani Manipur se de koi seismic zone gi yamna maru iba keno ma da leirabni na mase matung da su mayama ma koi thorpe yabagi apprehension ju yam chauna leire dana ko adu whatever madugi darkar leiba do madugi du loina ma comprehensive keno ma koi yengau se dana adu gi yam kan tawri husi se.
Speaking at the press meet, Chief Secretary Onabakiso said engineers of PWD during inspection of the markets found out the quality of the concrete mixture was low, due to which the building tumbled. On asking why the state did not oversee the construction of such an important structure by an agency, Chief Secretary replied that the state did not get the permission.
NBCC na poor quality quality control to aduna maram oibani and I must say even Indian cabinet secretary level da urban development gi makoina they should be held responsible. Masi reconstruction to tarsu retrofitting to tarsu it should be done at the cost of NBCC. So makoisu Bharat Sarkar gi chawgraba corporation amani maduda Manipur Sarkar na maduda yengsilu audit to yengsilu haibagi Bharat Sarkar gi madudi lakhiba chesu ai leite na khale aduna Manipur Sarkar gi role li kaimta thujungla leifam thokti na adumai to ai thamge.
Panic continues to grip the people after yesterday's massive earthquake as cracks appeared in houses and other structures in different parts of the state. Cracks appeared in government offices, educational institutes and private houses, causing alarm among the people. Affected people have drawn immediate attention to the government and departments concerned to the situation. It may be recalled that 8 persons died and several injured in yesterday's earthquake. Several structures, including the Ima Kaithel in Imphal City, were damaged in the earthquake, which shook the state in the early hours of Monday.
Tashengbadi building si kharayamna so haje tare kain da main pillar se si main pillar lairiba taruk amuk mamangi taruk si adum main pillar so mathak ki su crack chatle aduna structural dadi akoi kharaki re haje tare marak sida koina koila nai oina ko akoi structural engineer ama kaudana akoi masi khara save oidre na haire except preventive measure khar laudradi the expert team dunaga laga si disbanded tawro do kari kaidana khotana ba kari tawbe yage mayam si kalhauna ba adugi keno dum khatang aina pamjai.
In the wake of yesterday's earthquake, the building of Pari Mom Kwai Sindam Shang Pangai, the building of RK Lakshana, Kabolekai Nopok A, Dulalen and Market Shade of Kongbo Bazaar have been declared unsafe buildings by Deputy Commissioner of Imphal East District. To prevent loss of lives and properties, the DDC Imphal East has issued an order prohibiting of entry and movement in a radius of 20 meters from these buildings. LMS Law College at Chingmarong was also damaged in the quake. The northern side of the college was badly damaged and cracks appeared in 5 classrooms. Joint Committee on Inner Line Permit System JCILPS has condoled the deaths in yesterday's earthquake in Manipur. The committee observed 2-minute silence to mourn the deaths. In a press release, the committee said the JCILPS and Mairapaibi members held a discussion on the protection of indigenous people yesterday at Shyama Devi Community Hall, Chingmarong. They decided to resume their agitation to meet the demands. Chanura Microfin Manipur condoled the loss of lives in Monday's earthquake. In a condolence meeting held in its offices today, the CMM observed 2-minute silence to condole the deaths. A team of Health Directorate and National Health Mission reached out to the people who are affected by Monday's earthquake. The team today visited villages of P. Molding Part 1 of Saparmena subdivision under Senapati district. More than 5 houses of P. Molding were damaged in the tremor and 20 members of 3 houses are taking shelter at a nearby house. The affected villagers were given medicines, food items and blankets. In P. Molding Part 1, 9 houses were damaged and the villagers are taking shelter at P. Molding UJB School. Later, the team also visited Chalbung village under Senapati district. 38 houses were damaged in Chalbung village and the villagers are taking shelter at Chalbung Government UP College. Health Director also visited the Modbung Primary Health Center and handed over mattresses and blankets to the Chief Medical Officer, Senapati District.
Park Sauna Mangan Bakam Labor Maramna, me, my mamma, relief camps in the Lebese, Machine Nington Tower, Benina, National Health Mission Site, Blanket Karatubaguina. WHO to give this initiative guiding area to also at lacking at the blanket Karaquena, Hida Langtane, Adote Chanatanakarane, relief over camp, people happen.
State Bank of India Regional Branch Manipur along with Voluntary Health Unit Committee RIMS extended medical assistance and medicines to those who were injured in Monday's earthquake. Voluntary Health Unit Committee RIMS provided free medicines while SBI extended a sum of Rs 10,000 to those who were admitted at RIMS from 7 a.m. onwards yesterday. Meanwhile, SBI Regional Business Office Assistant General Manager Thangboy Lunkim extended a sum of Rs 30,000 to the injured. Till now, 32 patients have been discharged from RIMS, 15 are still admitted while 3 are in casualty for observation. Speaking to media persons, SBI AGM Thangboy Lunkim said SBI extended the help to the affected people in far-flung areas of the state. Voluntary Health Unit Committee RIMS appreciated Geno Pharmaceutical Private Limited and SBI for extending help in the relief camp.
Mapom de Koina di Chatpadi ngam dabnina Masida Khoidigi mi Maru and me am still Idorina helpline ga Koi Nganarega Masi Koyangam Matinda. A yuk helpung Marie Makai Pausitar Pasta Nasi de Koi Tabak Tadoga Masi am Tuna emergency when a Koi Masimating Pang China brand say skeleton in a function to a Koi to Wangamboni. Nature of this type of things emergency. Emergency do the Ekoi Madu Ekoi Lipangam Labangam Lamdrabadi, Migi Damak Sukane de Ekoina Tunda Torabo Sukanaroi.
Kanglei Sembi Foundation, Kagempali Panthak, Nganapithong Mapal today provided financial help to earthquake victims. Members of the foundation visited RIMS and Shizu Hospital to hand over the assistance to the injured persons. The foundation will also hold a mega health camp from February 1 to 14. Speaking to Impact News, Secretary of the foundation and Gagrin Singh said the mega health camp will also provide treatment for hepatitis C.
Lakadariva February ki tang amma dagi na tara mari phaugi manungda Manipur gi mafam amada ekhoi gi Kanglei Sembi Foundation na ngasi pangiba mating sigumna ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ 7 days free health camp ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯔꯥꯡ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯤ ꯃꯗꯨꯗ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯍꯦꯜꯊ ꯀꯦꯝꯞ ꯑꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯃꯄꯨꯡ ꯐꯥꯍꯟꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯀꯪꯂꯩꯁꯦꯝꯕꯤ ꯐꯥꯎꯟꯗꯦꯁꯟꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯀ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯕꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯏꯔꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯋꯥꯍꯩ ꯈꯔ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ මයꯝꯒꯤ මꯐꯝꯗ ꯊꯝꯖꯔꯤ.
Rotary Club of Polo City, Imphal, which is one of the 30,000 Rotary clubs worldwide today, extended financial help to earthquake victims. The aid was handed to the relief camp opened by Voluntary Health Unit at RIMS. BJP Manipur Press today asked Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh, who also holds the Mahut portfolio, to step down on moral grounds and demand that ban on Kolkata-based Simplex company. Addressing media persons at BJP office at Nitai Pachuthik today, party president Thaunawsum Chauba said the damage caused to Ima Market in yesterday's earthquake clearly indicates that Simplex company has not maintained quality while constructing the buildings. He said Mahut Municipal Administration Housing and Urban Development gave the tender to Kolkata-based Simplex company for the construction of new Imam Market complex. Demanding ban on Simplex company, Thaunawsum Chauba said all the projects started by the company should be stopped immediately.
Imam Market Manipur itihas da simta lebra head laibam prithvi le pak te la kola Imam Market yenge ping ha ka bai de pusaline asibu asumna saram base Simplex company ban tawgadabani magi thabak punam lephan gadabani loinana Manipur praja masi subase subcontract na kanano madu maming taw karor yankhai ru loi lo khra laibra khangalo white paper puto athu bada puthok pi gadabani aduga Mahut department ki karamba engineer na yengi Mahut na tawbani engineer karambano maming taw.
Bharatiya Janata Party Manipur Pradesh President Thaunawsum Chauba has alleged that the Congress government has failed to give priority to matters that need immediate attention. The BJP leader today visited the earthquake-hit areas in Bishnupur district. Chauba went to Bishnupur Bazaar, Nambol Bazaar and Bithal English School in Nambol to take stock of the situation. Chauba held the Congress government responsible of the situation. He said the historical Bishnupur Kaithel was damaged as the government did not maintain it properly. Chauba questioned who approved the construction of the 4-story Golden Shopping Complex in Nambol Bazaar. He said, fortunately, the earthquake occurred in early morning. If it occurred in the afternoon, the death toll would have been higher as there could have been a stampede. Not a single women vendor was seen at Bishnupur Kaithel when Chauba visited the market. Most of the pillars of the market have been damaged in yesterday's tremor. Cracks appeared on the second floor of Golden Shopping Complex at Nambol Bazaar. Some of the beams bent as they could not take the load of the building. The complex was inaugurated in November last year. Chauba also saw the condition of the hostel building of Bithal English School. A portion of the building collapsed as it did not have adequate number of pillars.
Jang ki dana pan na thaidana nong isara tanjaba mi mya ami hinke athuba matam da hapta amagi manung da mase kothok na lokhok pi khrega kathel che athuba da sabi ba darkar le Manipuri kathen darkar le tabada kunthra hena sa khrabani darubasung Bishnupur Bazaar Nambol Bazaar sani haibagi asa le quality control tawdana tawning mamawangda tawba aduga Amaromda I Simplex complex company natrabadi Yadabaduna Manipur Sakan Producer Masigi Akan Bademana Matogane.
None in Tamenglong district, which is close to the epicenter of yesterday's earthquake, is devastated by the 6.8 tremor. BJP MLA Thongam Bishwajit today visited and extended help to the affected people of None, which falls under the Deputy Chief Minister Gaikangam's constituency. Speaking to media at None, part 3, after meeting the affected people, Bishwajit questioned why the team of disaster management has not yet reached the worst hit areas. Many people are living outside as their houses were destroyed in the quake. Bishwajit also said the government must set up relief camps in different parts of the state to help the affected people as soon as possible.
employee masing lawr kan hariba posi hena chawthokna ba phana ba tawgani haibase aran bi step ama oigani 12 hours for 13 hours ka le har kan da koina karigumba khara kem hangna bagi si tawna bagi haina thokpasi masi yamna delay tauba maram si karigino haibase koi government da hangningi leriba nole gi epicenter tabis da nataba ukhul gi jaga chandel gi jaga senapati gi jaga da krai da thoke haiba poche yengjan bire har kan koi ngasi gi NDRF laiba posing sinema phom da yahon bagi koi wakhalon do koi da phawbu koi government da appeal tawjali yahon biu haida.
Chairman of Village Authority Council, Kanan Kamson, expressed dissatisfaction over the failure of the state government to visit and help the people of Nonne. Kanan Kamson also maintained that it is unfortunate that Deputy Chief Minister has not said anything for his people who are badly affected by the earthquake. He appealed to the government to take due care of the affected people.
Yum si yamna major oibasidi yum kun mathak to oiramgani khale 180% gumbadi phaglang da khar kai bo erasu sumang kai bo erasu kai da basi 20% gumba khak to oire amu hana thok tanabagi prevention di sarkar gi taraf ti gi praja gi wakhal lumna bam tang di pihan ba pami kansal amele hojik phau na di lak padi gi paudi ta de usu akhoi thengna de.
Dr. Ningomam Jiten, brother of Ningomam Subhas, Superintendent Engineer PWD, today said his brother was not involved in the construction of Market number 2 and 3 of Ima Market that were damaged in Monday's earthquake. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club, Dr. N. Jiten said news item that his brother was assaulted and his suspension demanded by women vendors as reported in the media is unfortunate. The 2 markets damaged by the earthquake were built by Simplex Project Limited under the supervision of NBCC. Dr. N. Jiten also added that the market shade of Ima Market built by PWD is not damaged.
Asigi Ima Ketel ani shoi basi animak NBCC na saba adugumba building ni Manipur gi PWD engineering involving my younger brother Subhas ki supervision makhada sakiba building natte mangonda aranba wafam maki mayokta mayamna singnaba leibadu leibidanaba habana I request tawjabani.
Manipur Kaithel Nupimuru President El Mema has demanded for a CBI inquiry into Simplex company which constructed the Quaramband Ima Kaithel. Women vendors today held a sit-in below the Bir Dekendrajit overbridge to protest the damage of the Ima Kaithel. El Mema alleged that the damage suffered by the 5-year-old structure shows that quality was not maintained in its construction and the tall buildings near the Ima Kaithel were not affected by the tremor. If the government does not provide an alternative market for them in 5 days, the women vendors will launch intense agitation. They opposed the government's plan to make a temporary market from Khuyathong to Babutong to allow the women vendors continue their business. The women vendors demanded that the government should allow them to sit in Mapal Kangjibung until the market is repaired.
CBI da natraga CBI natragana NIA da atuba matamda thigatlandana mari lenaba authority council authority singse dandi phangan bani haiba demand che siga loinana council authority na ngasi baw tumina leibase sichu angak pa phangna condemn tawi ngarang dagi ngasi bawda nongmai chara tanjaba imai ben singna phampham leitaba se numit mangani gi manungda mangani thajage yam sangna aikoi kangjai bungdara karai dano mapham mama yam thuna pibi dana akoi gi babam sinbi gadabani masida silak tragadi maduda tholpa phapatagi dai Manipur Sarkar oibumna lusungba sarkana risk lagu daito oige.
A lethal bomb was recovered around 5:30 this morning on the premises of Elite Senior Secondary School located at Singzabai Makha Kawa Asemlekai. The school has classes 11 and 12. Mention may be made that the house of the chairman Laishram Sumitra Devi is located on the school campus. The bomb was later safely removed by a team of Singzabai police. Meanwhile, the residents of Singzabai Makha Kawa Asemlekai along with Maira Paibi and club members staged a sit-in against the planting of bomb in public place. Students and staff of Elite Senior Secondary School also joined the sit-in. Chairman of the school, Laishram Ongbi Sumitra Devi, wife of Laishram Deven Singh, told Impact News that the school did not receive any demand or threat from any organization. She appealed to the persons involved not to repeat such act in future, as the school is located in a residential area. Sumitra Devi sought clarification from the organization involved.
School area da thamamabanina kitang satra satri singi keno da akhoi gi academic atmosphere da kitang aso bam leibanina I kitang penjadi adi school lagi school si so akhoi gi laikai gi yumlak hai tare ko sida leiba school ama oibanina sida phatanang da thogadi adum ama sama chi sok pa ya pol ama oibanina khangkhangodana bom ama thambiramaga mayam da kitang chitan hai tare ne tobirak pa habi sidi ai kitang masi penjadi ai si
Meanwhile, Maoist Communist Party Manipur has claimed responsibility for planting of the Lethot bomb. In a press release, the outfit said the bomb was planted against the director of Jenims, not the school. It also said the outfit is giving due attention to the functioning of the institute and urged all concerned to give more importance to healthcare. United Committee Manipur UCM, All Manipur United Club Organization Amuko and Committee on Civil Society Kanglei Park CCSK will hold a mass rally for common future of Manipur and a public meeting at Mapal Kangjibung on February 6. The rally is part of the People's Movement for the Common Future of Manipur. UCM President Ilangbam Johnson, Amuko Vice President PH Deban and CCSK Vice President Chinkhengan B today spoke to the media at UCM's office and appealed to the people to take part in the rally being organized to protect the people of Manipur.
Lakh na khujing oiraga chaseba 2001 da moina phangibe experience to madu ningsing akanda Manipur miyam se yam sensitive oibani aikhoi gi iraiba ki damakta sumam toruk matam dadi phairing turing tobiganu phairing turing tobi abro haibese masi utpoina adege khoi lamdam sida khundare bese kanglup amata natraga purub amata atamna na chatpa release na ta nuina ba saru yamina organizing committee na khoi leiri se open to everyone apun ba Manipur gi ma khoina smaina miyam punna changjel apamatam dadi sarkar na su full cooperation PVO
Manipur ki damakta ikoi laimina ki gani Manipur ki damakta chimina gani haiba sigumba ikoi ngaktana legani haiba wakhalon sidaisda Manipur khundari ba kanglu puru khudimakna saruk yabina nabagi damakta so ai appeal taujari.
State Election Commission of Manipur informed all electors concerned of Sugno and Kaching Kunau Municipal Council to submit applications for postal ballot papers of voters on election duty in prescribed from Form A. The State Election Commission further informed to submit it with the attested copy of appointment letter, proof of identity and a copy of electoral roll to the office of the SDO returning officer, Waikong, before January 8. Bishnupur District Congress Committee has condoled the sudden demise of a president of the committee, Salam Buddhachandra. All Manipur Ethnical Socio-Cultural Organization AMESCO and Apunba Manipur Kanba Imalub Amkil condoled the death of R.K. Landhoni, General Secretary of Poirei Leimarol Maira Paibi Apunba Manipur on the 31st of last month. Jikitsa Healthcare Limited and Caesar Hospitals and Research Institute Private Limited jointly launched Caesar Manipur Ambulance Service today. For the first phase, the service will provide one ambulance van each in Imphal West, Imphal East and Thawal district. The launch was held at the auditorium of Caesar Hospitals and Research Institute at Langol. The contact number of the ambulance service, which will provide world-class medical facilities, is 0385 241 0000. IGP John 1, Clay Kongsai, All Manipur Working Journalist Union President Wangkepja Samjai, Managing Director of Caesar Hospitals Dr. K.H. Palin, many distinguished doctors took part in the event.
I mean, sports treatment center, reference center, I went up. Ado high ambulance in Sijum Nagi and this is a pre-hospital treatment. Ana si diagnose ko horani lain ko horani aduga amna chu da ka le ga even MI da ko na adu lain ko ya ko dai anga ko pi ai manu da anga to ko gam na gi adu gi train tor ba para medicine ta gi ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯃꯦꯔꯤꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯂꯤ ꯑꯦꯀꯥꯗꯦꯃꯤꯛ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯤꯜꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯤꯡ ꯂꯩꯔꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯕꯅꯤ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯏꯟꯁꯄꯥꯌꯔ ꯑꯣꯏ.
Now in news. Now in sports. Eastern Students Club A, Nomaibung Ex Polo Club Wangkai and Khurai Polo Club A have entered the quarterfinals of the 31st N. Hazare and Dr. N. Tombi State Polo Tournament. In the first pre-quarterfinal match, Eastern Student Club A, Nomaibung defeated KM Riding Polo Club Singzamai 9-2. 10 Polo Club A, Wangkai defeated Chinkai Hunba Polo Club A 7-3 in the second pre-quarterfinal match, and Khurai Polo Club A thrashed Ibudao Thangjing Polo Club C 18-0 in the third pre-quarterfinal match today. The tournament is organized by Manipur Horse Riding and Polo Association at Mapal Kangzebung. MSCP Kanchipur defeated FCK Mairenkong 6-2 in the 7th state level Moirangjam Ravichandra Memorial Open Football Tournament. Newton scored 5 goals and Anand scored 1 goal for the winners, while Razen and Naresh scored 1 goal each for the losing team. The tournament is organized under the sponsorship of M. Ravichandra Trust at Kiamgai Ideal Girls School, Kiamgai Mailekai. Uripok Shorbon Thingel FC beat Vavishya FC Singjamai Tokchom Lekai 3-1 in the first match. Lisbon Thangwaiban beat Lava FC Lalambung Takilambam Lekai by 3-1 in the second match, and SSO Oinam beat Win Kongba by 1-0 in the third match of the first 4-man open football tournament organized by Lalambung Takilambam Lekai Youth Development Organization. Eastern Sporting Union Wangkai beat YWC Pachoy by 68 runs in the second played cricket tournament today. Winning the toss, Eastern Sporting Union Wangkai batted first and scored 131 for 9 in 30 overs. In reply, YWC Pachoy were all out for 63 in 19.3 overs. Eastern Sporting Union Wangkai bowler Sankar, who took 3 wickets, was adjusted man of the match. The tournament is organized by Manipur Cricket Association at Luang Pokpa Cricket Ground, Luang Sangbam. UCC Uripok will take on Pakhangba Cultural Club Mayai Koibi tomorrow. That's all we have for the time being, but before we wind this session of the bulletin, let's have a look at the headlines once again. Works Minister Ratan Kumar says NBCC should be held responsible for the damage at Laxmi Market and New Market in Mandes Tremor. A team of Health Directorate and National Health Mission extend help to people hit by earthquake. BJP Manipur asks Chief Minister to resign on moral grounds and ban Kolkata-based Simplex company. Women vendors demand for CBI inquiry into Simplex company, oppose government's plan to make temporary market from Kuyatong to Babutong.